I'm here in my colony park today after 60 days. The weather is really good. And I've got a new look. Oh, it's rhyming, isn't it? Yes. So basically, I just want to share what I've been up to for these 60 days. I'm coming on camera after 60 days. I've been recording, doing some content at home, but I really wanted to come out in the open and talk. So I'm really happy with this opportunity today. I thought, why not that I share with you what happened? My new initiative, which is very, very young. It's almost 100 days now, and as soon as I started, lockdown happened. But this lockdown came as a boon, as a boon to my ideas, my thoughts, because it really helped me push together and move forward. More than 25 videos I've done in the Well, which are across various genres in creativity, well-being, self-development space, and whatnot. But how I was able to create such a content, and I was able to research so much more in these days. I just realized what are the reasons why I was able to do more in these days, than normal ordinary days. So I could think of three key reasons. Reason number one, I was able to put my focus and find more reasons of doing things than not doing things. Often we have reasons because of this we are not able to do this, and because of this we are able to do this. So I was able to see a lot of reasons because of which I was able to put my focus and do things. Things like, first and foremost, there was plenty of time at hand. Second most, there was no distraction, no disturbance, no external triggers, no one coming to hear. You don't have to go out anywhere. Nothing of that sort is happening. So focus and finding reasons to do more things than not to do things. The second reason is I realized that there is more fun in doing than in knowing. We all know a lot of stuff, but we don't experiment with doing. It just happened. So, I had already started the Well Bill with a thought in my mind, and because of lockdown, I had so much more time, which I was able to invest in doing. And it was really fun. I realized that doing things is more fun than knowing things. Until for really long period I was always accumulating knowledge, trying and learning. I know this, I know that, but for first time I realized that doing things is way more fun than knowing things. I just want to say that it's time we get let some fears in our life get real, and once these fears get real we realize that they were not really the big fears. For example, when we look at these mock-up artists, some people, mock up like a joker, they still make the kids get fearful of them. Why? Because they don't even know what's the difference between a fun and a real fear. For them, something new is fearful. That's what we do to our life. So it's time we recognize what is a real fear. And once we start to do that exercise, we'll understand that most fears in our life are unreal. They are not the ones which we should be, very, very bothered about. For example, coming in front of camera, for me it was a fear, but when I picked up the phone and started talking, I thought, okay, it's real me. What's so, being so fearful about it? And that's how we all will be able to recognize small big fears and just crash them, crush them. So these are the three things which really helped me put together a lot of stuff in well-being, in creativity, in spirituality, in all other subjects of mine, put together in form of small video capsules and share them with you. So you must have listened to the whistles. The guard is here and asking us to move. It's going to be almost 7 o'clock. Sun is about to set. So time to go back home. And but I'm here with all the precautions. So I have kept my mask, my sanitizer, tissues, everything in hand. It's all in this bag pouch with me. And I would recommend that whenever you're going out, moving out, take all the precautions. I'm out of home with my full kit in hand, and only because I'm in front of camera I'm not wearing the mask. So you all must take all the precautions, and I will be back with my next video, and I have a lot of new fresh interesting stuff to discuss. I've been waiting for times to come out in open and talk. I really love this open environment, sharing my ideas and thoughts. And if you are new to the channel, I would definitely recommend you go and have a look at what all I've been talking and doing and sharing. I'll be sharing 2-3 links of some videos of various types. Maybe it will be easy for you to click them and have a look. Why don't you subscribe to the channel and keep coming back? I'll be very, very happy. There is a lot more interesting stuff which is coming your way. Thank you guys and have a great day ahead. See you. Bye.